Take a ride in the 2021 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, traction control, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.